How to boost your computer's performance by using some of the free methods to speed up the laptop. Hello everyone, and let's get started. So to start up with, press Windows plus R and then search for clean mgr and hit the OK button. It will calculate all the temporary files as well as the junk files. Just tick on all the options that you want to delete and then click on clean up system files. Now hit the OK button. This way, you have created enough space on your computer and also help to boost the computer's performance. Next up, again press Windows plus R to open the Run tab. This time type in temp. Click on Continue and then you can see all of the temporary folders. Now you just have to click Ctrl plus A and then click Shift plus Delete to permanently delete all of these folders. However, some folders might not be deleted, you can leave it as it is. Next up again, you have to place Windows plus R and then this time search for %temp%. This is the another location for the temporary files. Repeat the same process, which is Ctrl A and then Shift plus Delete. Once this is done, let's move on to the next step. Sometimes you might also feel the issue of the internet lagging on the browser. So in that case, press Windows plus R and then search for inetcpl.cpl. Then hit the OK button. This way you will open the internet settings. Once you have opened the internet properties, go to connections. If there are any proxy connections, click on LAN settings, untick the proxy server and hit the OK button. After that, go back to the internet properties again. This time click on Advanced and then click on Restore or Reset Advanced Settings. After this, click on Apply and then on OK. This should also help to boost the computer's performance. Next up, what you can do is look for the startup files and disable any of the file or application that is not required. For that, open Task Manager. Go to Startup Files. Search for each of the file which is unnecessary or the application that is unnecessary. Right click on it and disable it. You can end task as well. Once you have done so, you can also use some of the software. You can use Malwarebytes kind of software for the virus protection. So after this, you have to regularly update your Windows. So this were some of the solutions that you can apply to boost the performance. That is it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.